Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will show you how you can remove a hyperlink in LibreOffice Writer. So let's get straight into it. First off, if you uh, copy some text from the web page that contains this hyperlink, but you don't want it, what you need to do right here, as you can see, if I go over this text, you will see that I can click and open this hyperlink. So if I can show you like so, and it opens up this thing right here. Now, how to remove it? So I will go like that and right click on my mouse, and you will see here remove hyperlink. And as you can see, this text is no more connected with any website. So you can also see that color changed, but if color doesn't change, this is then just formatting. So you can change it then later right here, and how you want it is just that. And yeah, this is how you can remove hyperlink in your document. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.